Welcome to Tech in 10, your daily roundup of the top events happening in tech and why they matter. Starting off with OpenAI. The company has hit a staggering $500 billion valuation after a recent secondary share sale involving current and former employees. This includes $6.6 billion worth of shares sold to major investors like SoftBank and Thrive Capital. Despite OpenAI's heavy spending on research and development and ongoing operational losses, investor excitement remains strong. Why this matters? This valuation shift reshapes the AI market, affecting capital allocation, talent acquisition, and strategic negotiations, especially in domains like cloud computing and chip production. However, it also raises sustainability questions versus the possibility of market hype. Now shifting to Apple. The company has paused plans to redesign the Vision Pro by 2027. Instead, resources are being redirected to develop AI-focused smart glasses that will integrate with iPhones, known as the N50 project. This pivot is partly due to low consumer interest in the Vision Pro and a belief in the broader appeal of always-on AI assistance. Why it matters. Apple's move suggests that major companies expect quicker consumer adoption of AI through everyday, lightweight devices rather than expensive, immersive tech. This decision will influence hardware development, platforms for developers, and competition with companies like Meta. Next, in a significant international collaboration, OpenAI is partnering with Samsung SDS and SK Telecom to establish AI data centers in Korea. The partnership will also see Samsung and SK Hynix supplying a substantial amount of DRAM and high-bandwidth memory to OpenAI's Stargate project. Why it matters. This venture increases global demand for high-end memory while positioning Korea as a crucial AI infrastructure hub in the Asia-Pacific. It also deepens dependencies within the AI, hardware, and geopolitical ecosystems. Turning to Microsoft, the company announced the end of support for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025. While security updates will cease, extended security updates and migration options to Windows 11 are available. Microsoft is also promoting Copilot Plus PCs and cloud-based solutions as migration options. Why it matters. This creates pressure for enterprises and developers to accelerate their transition plans to Windows 11, potentially driving demand for Microsoft's newer platforms and services. It also highlights the importance of preparing for potential gaps in security and system management. In legal news, Bollywood stars Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have filed a lawsuit against YouTube and Google in India over AI deepfake videos. They're seeking significant damages and permanent takedowns of the offensive content, while also aiming to prevent its use in AI training models. Why it matters. This high-profile case addresses the growing issue of deepfakes and their implications for personality rights, moderation policies, and the use of AI in content creation, which will influence regulatory frameworks worldwide. Shifting to Google, their AI overview feature has come under scrutiny for allegedly omitting summaries on sensitive topics like Trump's mental health. The omission happened shortly after Sundar Pichai's meeting with President Trump, raising questions about the consistency and neutrality of content filtering. Why it matters. As generative AI becomes embedded in search engines, maintaining consistent and impartial content policies is crucial to trust and credibility. This incident underscores the complexities tech companies face in managing information within AI systems. And that wraps up today's major stories in the tech world. Make sure to subscribe for more updates. That's Today in Tech. The future's coming faster. Try to keep up.